Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
I got a buddy restoring a Chevy truck. I believe it's a 58 or 59. But I guess he was putting the exhaust on. Little mounting gear broke off. And he asked me, you think you could fix it? I said, shit. I don't know. I have no idea. But we'll give it a try. So, we're going to try to weld that piece back on. And then we're going to metal finish it. We're going to clean it. Try to make this all flat so the gasket will seal. Now, I've only done cast iron repair a few times in my life. And this isn't going to be a how-to. It's going to be a how to fucking make it stick and work. I'm sure there'll be an old timer in the comment section, probably talking shit. You know what? Go somewhere else. So, with that being said, let's start the damn show.
Clean the broken piece of cast iron. Got some JB Weld muffler sealer. This cast iron sucks. Let's clean it, prep it. Did I already say clean it? This broken off piece doesn't look like it's gonna work no more. We chuck it and go back to cleaning it some more.
All that's cleaned up. Is a lot worse than I thought it was going to be. So there was, I think it was a muffler repair, that JB Weld stuff. It was all over this, inside, outside, up here, everywhere. Got all that cleaned off. There was still a broken bolt in there, so we got that out. Damn it. So there's going to be a lot of building up to do, because this piece is not going to fix what we got. They hogged the hole out too much. It's going to be hard to repair. So what I did is I took a template off of one side, so when I build up the material here, I can flip it, and then should be good. And then I'll get the gasket from him. I don't have the gasket, but I'll be able to re-put the hole in there exactly where it needs to go. Before I weld this, I got to preheat it. I got to get it up to minimum 500 degrees. I could put it in the oven, heat it up that way, but I'm pretty sure the woman will not be happy about that. So what next best thing I'm going to do? Use this guy right here. If you have a tank of MAP gas, that should be plenty to do what I need to do. I'm going to heat the whole entire part up before I weld it. And to make sure it gets up to temp, I got this bad boy right here. I snagged it from work. Once it's up to temp, I'm going to have my welder ready to go. And then I'm just going to start welding it right up. I'm going to use Blue Demon nickel 99 rod. Once it's fully welded up, I'm going to take it and put it in some sand, cover it up, and that's going to allow it to slow cool back down. And then after it's cooled off for however many hours or the next day, then we'll metal finish it, clean it up, and go from there.
Few inches later.
Motherfucker, come on. Well, that welded like dog shit, but we got her hammered in there. Now we're gonna clean her up and see if we can salvage this piece of shit.
It smells like rain. Give it a smell. Storm's coming. Did you get the chairs in?
Alright, I think that's as good as I'm going to be able to get it. It was the biggest pain in the ass I've ever done. This stuff did not want to weld worth a shit. But we got it flat as we can get it without a belt sander. Chamfer the holes. Yeah, it's time to get this thing out of my ass. He wanted that thing straightened out, and I said there's a possibility of it breaking, and guess what? It broke. Well, this doesn't work. We can fix it by just putting a small block Chevy in the truck. Later.
Woo!
My dad buys me car parts for y'all to miss out, like and subscribe.